Cinnamon English. Set 10. Present Perfect. I have cooked with my mum. I have cooked with my mum. I have cut the paper. I have cut the paper. I have climbed up the rope. I have climbed up the rope. I have danced with my friends. I have danced with my friends. I have drunk milk. I have drunk milk. I have eaten watermelon. I have eaten watermelon. I have kicked the ball. I have kicked the ball. I have jumped up and down. I have jumped up and down. I have looked at the clouds. I have looked at the clouds. I have laughed and played. I have laughed and played. I have ridden my bike. I have ridden my bike. I have read books. I have read books. I have sat on the chair. I have sat on the chair. I have sung a song. I have sung a song. I have swum in the pool. I have swum in the pool. I have slept in my bed. I have slept in my bed. I have been to school. I have been to school. I have walked in the park. I have walked in the park. I have written stories. I have written stories. I have drawn pictures. I have drawn pictures.